Winter mornings can be brutal, and there's nothing worse than scraping ice off your windshield while shivering in the cold. But what if there was a way to protect your car, save time, and make mornings stress-free, no matter how icy or snowy it gets? Today, we're diving into the best car windshield covers for snow, comparing 6 top options to help you find the perfect one for your vehicle. From heavy-duty, multi-layered covers to convenient all-in-one kits, we'll break down their features, performance, and value for money so you can see which cover suits your winter needs best. And I want to hear from you. What's your go-to solution for winter car prep? Drop your thoughts in the comments. All the links are in the description. Number 6. Have you ever spent ages scraping ice off your windshield and wished there was a simpler solution? The MARKSIGN Universal Fit Car Windshield Cover, 63 inches by 102 inches, is designed for exactly that, offering multifunctional, year-round protection against snow, ice, frost, and even UV rays, making it ideal for drivers who park outdoors frequently. Its universal size fits a wide range of cars and SUVs, though measuring your windshield is recommended for the best fit. Constructed from heavy-duty PEVA, laminated with aluminum foil on one side and soft microcotton on the other, it blocks snow and ice buildup in winter and helps reduce heat inside during summer. Real-world use shows that snow can be brushed off instead of scraped, saving precious time on freezing mornings. And the included mirror covers protect those often overlooked side mirrors. A standout feature is its anti-theft tuck-in flaps combined with 4 adjustable elastic straps with hooks, securing the cover against wind and theft, something many basic covers lack. Compared to competitors like EcoNour's 600D Oxford covers or generic magnetic options, MARKSIGN excels in aluminum lamination and theft protection, though setup takes slightly longer due to the straps. And size. Users report premium feel and durability for the price, with a warranty adding confidence. Number 5. If mornings spent scraping frost off your windshield are your winter nightmare, the Gintenco Car Windshield Snow Cover is a game-changer, designed to protect front glass and side mirrors from snow, ice, frost, and even sun glare with a 4-layer build that includes aluminum foil, PP cotton, composite cotton, and non-woven fabric. This insulation makes removing ice effortless, and magnetic edges combined with elastic straps and door flap fixation keep the cover snug, even in windy conditions. Side mirror covers ensure full frontal protection, a feature that not all competitors provide, and installation is intuitive, often under a minute, though its large size can make folding and storing a challenge. Compared to simpler magnetic or nylon options like EcoNour or basic 600D Oxford covers, the Gintenco's multi-layer design offers superior frost insulation, though the foam-like material means careful alignment is necessary to prevent frost sneak-ins. Real-life users find it reliable, effective, and quick, making winter mornings significantly easier. It's perfect for drivers facing regular snowfall who want a reusable, all-around solution without spending on custom covers. How important is easy installation versus insulation to you? Share your opinion in the comments. Overall, Gintenco balances durability, convenience, and performance, offering strong value for money in snowy regions. Number 4. The EcoNour Windshield Cover, 69 inches by 42 inches, is a reliable mid-size solution for drivers seeking strong winter protection without premium costs. Constructed from durable 600D Oxford fabric with a soft inner lining that prevents scratches and provides waterproof defense against snow, ice, frost, and sleet. Anti-theft side flaps and elastic straps over mirrors secure the cover in place, keeping it snug in wind and storms, which is a real advantage over basic magnet-only covers. Users report significant time savings in winter mornings, often cutting 20 to 30 minutes of ice scraping. And the tool-free installation makes daily use simple. Compared with competitors like Gintenco's magnetic edge covers or multi-layer thermal options, EcoNour focuses on rugged durability, waterproof performance, and anti-theft security, though extreme cold insulation is slightly less. While fitment may vary on larger trucks or SUVs, it generally holds well, and folding for storage is easy. This cover is ideal for drivers wanting a practical, durable winter solution that balances convenience and protection. Are you more about anti-theft security or insulation efficiency? Let me know in the comments. Overall, EcoNour delivers reliable weather protection at a reasonable price. Number 3. For drivers needing maximum coverage, the Eamefia Extra Large Windshield Cover, 75 inches by 45 inches, provides full protection against snow, ice, and frost, making morning prep effortless by eliminating scraping altogether. Its windproof construction, heavy-duty fabric, elastic hems, and adjustable mirror panels keep it securely in place, outperforming lightweight or magnet-only designs. Drivers in snowy regions find it cuts down prep time drastically, and the black fabric may even help accelerate ice melt in sunlight. Compared to EcoNour or similar 600D Oxford covers, Eamefia offers slightly less insulation, but balances protection, size, and convenience at a budget-friendly price. Users report robust build quality and durability over repeated use, though strong winds may require minor repositioning, and its large size can be cumbersome to fold. This cover is best for those seeking reliable winter protection for cars, SUVs, or light trucks without paying for custom-fit options. How do you handle large covers when folding and storing, trunk or garage? Comment below. Overall, the Eamefia cover is practical, durable, and cost-effective. Number 2. If you want a full winter car care solution, the COFSODI Winter Windshield Cover Kit goes beyond standard protection by including a universal large cover, 93.2 inches by 44.8 inches, plus a telescopic snow shovel/brush, ice scraper, microfiber towel, and gloves. This all-in-one kit makes winter mornings stress-free, shielding windshields from snow, frost, sleet, and freezing rain while providing handy accessories not included with most competitors. Heavy-duty double-layer material with elasticized edges, adjustable straps, and magnets keeps it secure overnight. Users report significant time savings on ice removal and appreciate the convenience of bundled accessories, though fitting to unusual windshield shapes may require some adjustment, and storage when wet needs planning. Compared with EcoNour's Oxford fabric or Gintenco's layered covers, COFSODI offers broader protection and accessories at similar or lower price points, though the materials feel slightly less premium. This kit is perfect for drivers looking for a comprehensive, practical winter car care solution rather than just a cover. What do you think? Would extra tools sway your choice of cover? Let me know in the comments. Overall, COFSODI delivers great value for snowbound drivers. Number 1. The Cat Windshield Snow Cover, 78 inches by 45 inches, is one of the toughest frost protectors available, designed to shield windshields from snow, ice, sleet, and frost while eliminating laborious scraping on cold mornings. Its wide universal fit accommodates most cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs, making it ideal for larger vehicles. Heavy-duty, weatherproof polyester or PU-coated material resists snow, ice, and moisture, while anti-theft straps, side window flaps, magnets, and mirror straps keep it securely in place, an improvement over basic elastic-only or lightweight covers. Users report quick installation and removal, compact storage, and effective frost protection in snowy conditions, though some note light marks on glass after removal. Compared with EcoNour's Oxford covers, Cat's material feels slightly less premium, but compensates with larger coverage and secure anti-theft features at a similar price point. This cover is perfect for drivers regularly facing winter weather, especially SUV and truck owners who park outdoors. Do you prioritize coverage or premium materials for winter protection? Drop your answer in the comments. Overall, CAT offers durable, reliable, and secure frost protection at excellent value. Winter doesn't have to slow you down, and with the right windshield cover, you can save time, stay warm, and protect your vehicle all season long. From heavy-duty multi-layer options to all-in-one kits with accessories, there's something for every driver and vehicle type. Which one would you choose for your winter mornings? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful product comparisons. All the links are in the description.